Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a detailed step-by-step guide on how to properly set up the WireGuard VPN app on your Android device and make sure everything works correctly from start to finish. This tutorial is completely original and created for educational purposes only. Before using any VPN application, always take time to read the app's terms and conditions and make sure you follow your country's local laws regarding VPN usage. Responsible usage is always important. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. Understanding what WireGuard is before we jump into the setup process, let's briefly understand what WireGuard does. WireGuard is a modern VPN protocol designed to provide fast speed, strong encryption, and a lightweight connection. Unlike older VPN protocols, it is built to be simple, efficient, and secure. When you connect through WireGuard, your internet traffic is encrypted, which means your data is protected from unauthorized access, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. Now let's move to the actual setup process. Step 1. Installing the application. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type WireGuard. Make sure you install the official application developed under the WireGuard name. Always confirm you are installing the correct app to avoid fake or modified versions. Tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Once installed, tap Open. When you open the app for the first time, you will notice that the interface is very clean and simple. There will be no configurations added yet. That is completely normal because WireGuard works using configuration profiles. Step 2. Understanding configuration profiles. WireGuard does not automatically connect to servers like many traditional VPN apps. Instead, it requires a configuration file. This configuration file contains important connection details such as server address, encryption keys, and tunnel settings. You can create this file manually, scan a QR code, or import a ready-made configuration file. In this guide, we will generate and import a configuration file step by step. Step 3. Generating the configuration file. Now, open your browser such as Chrome. Visit a trusted configuration generator website that supports WireGuard. Profiles. Once the website loads, navigate to the WireGuard VPN server section. You will be required to enter a username. Choose any name you prefer. Next, create a secure password. Make sure it is strong and not easy to guess. After filling in the details, tap on Download Config. Now wait a few seconds while the website generates the configuration file. The file will automatically download to your device, usually inside the Downloads folder. At this point, do not open it yet. We need to confirm the file format. Step 4. Fixing the file format issue. This is a very important part, so pay close attention. Sometimes when the configuration file downloads, it ends with TXT. If it ends with TXT, the WireGuard app will not recognize it properly, and the import may fail. So here is how to fix it. Open your phone's file manager. Go to the Downloads folder. Locate the file you just downloaded. Tap on the options menu usually shown as 3 dots. Select Rename. Carefully remove the TXT ending. After removing it, make sure the file ends with .nf. It should look something like example.nf. Tap Save or Rename to confirm the changes. Now the file is correctly formatted and ready to be imported. Step 5. Importing the configuration. Now return to the WireGuard app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select Import from File. Navigate to the location where you saved the renamed .nf file. Tap on it. If everything was done correctly, the configuration will now appear inside the app. You will see the profile name along with its connection details. That means the import was successful. Step 6. Editing the configuration. Optional. If you want to personalize the profile, you can edit it. Tap on the configuration you just imported. Tap on the pencil icon to edit. You can rename the profile to anything you prefer. Avoid using unnecessary spaces or unsupported characters. You may also review the server address and other details if needed. After making any changes, tap Save. Now go back to the main screen. Step 7. Activating the connection. Now it's time to connect. On the main screen, you will see a toggle switch next to your configuration profile. Tap on that toggle. You may receive a connection request notification asking for permission to establish a VPN connection. Tap Allow or OK. After a few seconds, the toggle will turn on. This means your device is now connected through the WireGuard VPN tunnel. Congratulations! Your internet traffic is now encrypted and secured. Important reminder: always use VPN services responsibly. Respect your country's regulations. Avoid using VPN tools for illegal activities. This tutorial is meant to help you understand how configuration-based VPN apps work and how to set them up correctly. And that brings us to the end of this detailed guide. You have now learned how to install, generate, import, and activate a WireGuard configuration step by step on your Android device. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more educational tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.